Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get the large order program in DoorDash. To qualify for the DoorDash large order program, you'll need to meet a few key requirements. Complete at least 200 deliveries overall, with 100 in the past month. Keep your average rating at 4.7 or higher. Maintain a 95% completion rate and have an insulated catering bag measuring at least 22 by 14 by 13 inches. Meeting these standards doesn't guarantee entry, as invitations depend on regional demand. If selected, you'll receive an email invite. From there, you'll either purchase a DoorDash branded catering bag at a discounted rate using the promo code provided, or submit photos of your own bag for approval. Once your bag is verified, you'll receive a confirmation email and large orders will begin appearing in your app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.